Hello, everyone. I'm Elizabeth Manchester, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Mattamy Homes here in Orlando. Thank you for spending a moment with us today as we bring you an exciting development in Island Village at Celebration. Over the next few minutes, you'll hear about Celebration and the history of this unique community, Mattamy Homes and the Mattamy Way, the latest news at Island Village at Celebration, trust me, it's big, and even next steps. I'll start with this amazing community. Celebration was originally developed in 1996 to create a residential community unlike any other, with a legacy steeped in magic, memories, and moments. This legacy, along with Celebration's award-winning designs and thriving new urbanism, really resonated with Mattamy Homes. It speaks to our heritage and history as a home builder. This is why we are so proud to be a part of this special community. Island Village at Celebration is located only minutes from theme parks, shopping, dining, and is very close to downtown Celebration, where I'm currently standing. It will feature luxury amenities for an active and healthy lifestyle that really complement Celebration's rich community lifestyle. That lifestyle includes art shows, an exotic car festival, orchestra performances, an annual holiday concert, and lots of downtown events for the fall and holiday season, and really throughout the year. We plan to build over 1,000 homes in this continuation of Celebration and all it has to offer. Due to its matchless visionaries, Celebration truly became a community unlike any other, which is why we seek to deliver this new phase, a worthy continuation of this community and its history. Now, I'll turn it over to Amanda Warren, our area sales manager, as she explains a little more about Mattamy Homes.
Thanks, Elizabeth. Hello, everyone. I'd like to tell you a little bit about Mattamy Homes and the Mattamy Way. Mattamy Homes has been building new homes and communities for over 40 years. In fact, we've built 100,000 homes across North America. At Mattamy Homes, we often refer to the Mattamy Way, which is an approach to home and community design that prioritizes how you really live throughout every hour of every day. We choose our neighborhoods by first evaluating what nature offers, then anticipating how you might use and appreciate your community. We introduce elements like parks, trails, and other amenities that deliver anything you might need, desire, or enjoy. Nowhere is that more evident than right here in Island Village at Celebration. We've gone through painstaking lengths to ensure that you have an exceptional community that is worthy of the Celebration name. And now let's go back to Elizabeth as we discover today's great news.
Today, we're excited to announce that we've commenced construction operations for our single-family homes and townhomes in Phase 1 of Island Village at Celebration, and our model homes are well underway. In this first phase, we'll offer you 40-foot wide single-family homes, 55-foot wide single-family homes, and 24-foot wide townhomes. These beautiful designs will range from over 1,600 square feet to over 3,200 square feet and offer from 3 to 6 bedrooms. These Island Village homes will be just minutes from the magic, luxury amenities, a thriving village core, dining, shopping, and more. Now, here are the next steps for you to get closer to owning a home at Island Village at Celebration. Step 1, go to our website at mattamyhomes.com/Orlando. Scroll down and click on Island Village at Celebration. Step 2, register to join our VIP list to be the first to hear new information as it's released. Step 3, text CIV to 31996 to receive text message updates as well. I encourage everyone watching to register now to become a VIP for Island Village at Celebration. I also want to thank you for taking time out of your day to join us and learn more. All of us here at Mattamy Homes look forward to guiding you through your new home buying journey and welcoming you to Island Village at Celebration. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.